Hello bro and welcome back to the channel. I have an important announcement for you. I'm coming to your city and doing a double your dating seminar. So सबसे पहले we're going to start from Mumbai. Mumbai is going to happen on 19th January, which is a Sunday. उसके बाद Bangalore. Bangalore is going to happen on 25th January, which is a Saturday. And then we come to Delhi, my home base. And that is going to happen on 8th February, which is going to be a Saturday. So if you ever wanted to meet me personally, if you ever wanted to learn from me, this is the best chance hands down. Because for the first 50 signups, it's going to be completely free. मतलब अगर तुम पहले 50 लोगों में होते हो जो sign up करते हैं, you're going to get a call from my team and you can claim that free offer. The seminar cost is 5,000 rupees in itself. So if you want to learn from me, if you want to catch up, if you're from around Mumbai, so guys, do join in right now. And how to join is quite simple. All you need to do is click the pinned comment, अपना full name, अपना email address और अपना phone number वहाँ पे डालो. My team is going to reach out to you as soon as they can. So it doesn't matter wherever you're from. If you're even from neighboring cities, this is the best chance because you're going to learn advanced dating skills. Now, what are these advanced dating skills that I'm talking about? Advanced dating skills are a proprietary frameworks जो मैंने पिछले साल अपने clients को सिखाए हैं and we have a 98.6% success rate. That means even if you don't have any prior experience with women, maybe you're divorced, maybe you're separated, maybe you've never dated a girl, this seminar is for you because you're going to learn the proprietary flirt framework in action. Now, the flirt framework is a proprietary framework that I developed for texting women to generate attraction over text, which has a 70% closing rate. इसका ये मतलब है कि अगर तुम्हारे पास कोई past experience नहीं है, maybe you've never texted a woman before, it doesn't really matter because once you follow the flirt framework, your text game is gonna go 0 to 100, which basically means you'll be able to set dates within 3 days with even the girls you probably meet in the daytime or even the girls you match with in online dating apps. Now you might be thinking, यार मेरे तो matches ही नहीं आते, मेरे को online dating applications में इतने matches ही नहीं आ रहे, मैं क्या करूँगा flirt framework सीख के? So I'm also going to break down the exact profile that got me 1,700 matches in 2.5 days. You heard it right. In 2.5 days, I got 1,700 matches. और वो पूरा प्रोफाइल का स्ट्रक्चर, वो पूरी प्रोफाइल मैंने कैसे बनाई थी, किस तरीके से फोटोशूट प्लान किया था, किस तरीके से अपने ग्रूमिंग और फैशन चेंज करी थी. You're going to learn all of this for completely free. All you need to do is click the pinned comment. Now, apart from the online thing, we're also going to cover the offline thing, which basically means we're going to teach you everything about cold approach, किस तरीके से approach करनी चाहिए, किस तरीके से लड़कियों से बात करनी चाहिए. And this is not only for girls. This is also going to help you socialize with people. It's going to help you become better at social skills. It's going to help you create instant attraction with women. It's also going to help you set instant dates. So if you're a guy who's suffering from no dates in the last year, this is something that you should definitely do. This is something that you owe to yourself. And apart from that, you're also going to meet like-minded people. You're going to meet a lot of entrepreneurs, a lot of working professionals जिनका एक ही goal है, to work on themselves and to improve their dating skills. So if you're someone who has just moved to a new location, if you're someone who has less social circle, if you're someone who is losing out his social circle because of his age, सारे दोस्तों की शादी हो रही है, दोस्तों के साथ plans नहीं बन रहे, this is a seminar you should attend because you're going to meet a lot of men with the single objective of working on themselves and improving their dating lives. And the best thing about the seminar, I'm also going to teach you my social edge dating system. Now, the social edge dating system is your unfair advantage over other men, over modern dating, because I exactly know what you're going through. I know you're going through deep confusion, especially with modern dating, especially with so many apps, dating being so convenient, and then cold approach also being an option, and so many girls trying to use you for different things. Women trying to use you for money, women trying to use you for free dates, women trying to use you for your social status and your power. And because of that, you're confused. Should I even focus on dating? Now, all of that confusion is going to be extremely clear because I'm going to be coaching you on social edge dating system. And in social edge dating system, I'm going to be coaching you on dark psychology, which is applicable and through which you can improve your social capital and your dating life as well. So what are you waiting for? Click the pinned comment, sign in with your full name, your email address, and your phone number. And my team is going to reach out to you if you win your free slot.